A series of activities will take place in the next 1 week ahead of the swearing-in ceremony that will see William Ruto and Rigathi Gachagua assume the office of the President and Deputy President respectively. As prescribed in Article 141 of the Kenyan Constitution, the date on which the court renders a decision declaring the election to be valid is the first Tuesday following 7 days after the court gives its verdict. The swearing-in of President-elect William Ruto will take place on Tuesday, September 13th. The President-elect then assumes office by taking and subscribing to oath of allegiance and the oath of the execution of the functions of office. During this ceremony, the President-elect shall be sworn in public before the Chief Justice or the Deputy Chief Justice if the Chief Justice is absent. Upon taking the oath, the President shall sign a certificate of the inauguration and the outgoing President shall hand over to the President the instruments of power and authority, that is, a sword and the Constitution. Parliament shall by legislation provide for the procedure and ceremony for the swearing-in of the President-elect. Parliament was mandated to enact legislation to provide for the procedure and ceremony for the swearing-in of the President-elect. This is done by the assumption of the office of President Committee under the assumption of the office of President. The committee is expected to 1. Facilitate the handling over the process by the outgoing President to the President-elect. 2. To organize for the security of the President-elect. 3. To organize for the necessary facilities and personnel for the President-elect. To coordinate the briefing of the President-elect by relevant public officers. To facilitate communication between the outgoing President and the President-elect. Prepare the program and organize for the swearing-in ceremony, and carry out any other activity necessary for the performance of its function under the Act and perform any other function assigned to it under any other written law. Kind Stefano, Ebro TV.